Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's mukbang is about crabs. So I roasted about 6 and I only could fit 4 in here. Okay, so here goes. I don't know why one's like black. Is it cooked? I don't even know if it's cooked. Okay, anyway, I cooked about 6 of them and then I put 4 in here. I'll put 4 in here because that's all I could fit in here. And here they go. Put them in coconut cream. Coconut cream, pepper, onion, lemon salt, garlic powder, and all those beautiful goody stuff. Okay guys, I already said my prayers, right, to thank the good Lord for this food. And I've got some sweet potatoes, kumara, to be kumara. I got my little spoon, my scissors that I was supposed to use in trying to open these claws could not be found. Someone in this house has taken it, and now I have to use this. I have to use this, so things will go flying. Hopefully not. Or look at this guys. Hello. Yeah. As long as it's not moving, I'll say hello. Okay. Woo, not bad. Oh, my. Lovely. I love it and choke. Oh, delicious, guys. This is delicious. Wait, yeah. You're probably wondering why she dressed up. Listen, I gotta dress up for you guys, okay? I don't want you guys looking at me going, did she just go finish filling some vow and then come and do her videos? Yeah. You know, I love crabs, right? But it's the hassle of trying to fish everything out. Hey. So I just asked my husband yesterday, can he go and buy me some crabs, right? Okay. And then he comes back with about 6 crabs. And I was happy. And when I wanted to turn them around, they were all males. Not one female in sight. And I thought, how am I going to show my viewers, you know? Oh, ouch, that was sore. Okay, just pretend it didn't hurt. And I like it. So how can I show you guys around here where should be heaps of nice, beautiful eggs? Hey, or roe, or whatever you call it. How can I show you when he went and got me all the males? He had one job only. And then he comes back with all these males. What am I going to do with all these males? Yeah. So, I've got to make the most of it. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Hey, tip. I soaked them all in coconut cream, right? And the coconut cream is the Cara one. And it's supposed to come out thick. No, it didn't. Because all the water from the crab, you know, that'll make it a whole lot of mess here. Yeah, all the water comes from the... Oh. Notice how it went all quiet? So delicious. I'll be honest with you guys. I've overcooked it. But I can still eat it. Okay? So I know you guys are probably thinking, look at her. She's eating. She didn't even offer us any. Okay, I'm really sorry. I'm really, really sorry. Here we go. Here I like ya. Ooh, look at that meat. I just add a bit of coconut cream in it. It just melts in your mouth. Melts in your mouth. Why? Because it's slightly overcooked. Nice though. Kumara. Kumara is known to come from New Zealand. Okay? Because when we first moved here to Australia years and years ago, it was only the sweet potato, the orange sweet potato, and then because a whole lot of Kiwis started migrating over here, yeah, New Zealand must have thought, hey, so if our people's over there in Australia, they're not running away from eating our kumara. Hey, but it's good. And we never used to have flounders here too. Flounders is that flatfish, but it's here now. Just the Kiwis thought, if you guys are going to run over there to Australia, you guys are going to get some flounders. And it's fine by us. Oh, man. Oh, You know what's funny? People with asthma, they can't suck that hard. See, it's like, especially with me, with my asthma, it's only sort of limited, like, that's it. Oh, the people with the good health, they'll, and then the whole thing will go. Oh man. See, is that nicely overcooked? That's how I put it. It's nicely overcooked. It's that nicely overcooked that when they suck it, they go and it comes up. This is lovely. This is so lovely. But I wish there was some female crabs. Yeah. It was my dad's birthday yesterday. I miss my dad. Yep. You miss dads that were really, you know, very good. Loving, you know. Okay. Where are you? No, it's good to overcook it. Because when you suck it up, it's gonna listen. Here you go. Here you go, baby. So noisy and messy today, eh? Look at that. Yeah. Over đầu leo mẹ ấy. Yeah, so wait. Fellow job. Hey. Yeah. You can tell I'm not Bob the Builder, eh? Hang on, wait, this time. Oh. See? When you slowly overcook it, that's what happens. Okay, this one's a little bit cheeky to me. Oh, so lovely. And my drink today, it's in here, okay? I had like a donut one, and you can see through it, and you can see my drink. And then my daughter goes, oh, I want one, I want one of those. So we don't have the same, I'll go and buy her this one. But no, she wanted to take the other one. You know, and then she forced it from me. Forced it. And she's over there laughing. She's over there laughing at me. Get her. No, don't get my baby. Man, this is so good. That's so good. Is anyone in there? Yeah. There you go. Next. Hang on. Feels heavy. Wait, come out and you might get what? Oh! Yang ada lah, yuk. Hang on. I got my glasses. Okay. Okay. There. See what happens when they steal my scissors? I have to go through all this butchering and everything. Okay. How am I going to do this? Okay. You can tell I am not an expert at eating this one. Guys, look. Okay. Bring your long nail, please, and yank this. Then I like it. Next, I'll put some coconut cream down here. Right. Yeah. Oh, look, I just realized there's a little meaty area. Man. Oh, delicious. Oh. Hang on, wait. You know that, yeah. I told you. You check it out. At least I don't know. They do a like a low on him, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. My fingers. Oh. Anyway. You know that, yeah. Oh my gosh. Not a messy early meal is a load. You know what? This is so nice. Guys, this might be... Oh, son of a gun. They made 40 overcooked early. Yeah, let's get... Okay. What was I saying? Who remembers what I was saying? Oh. You know what? Even though this takes a long time to bring out, it's so satisfying when you finally get the little bugger out, eh? Yeah, pakati. Oh, excuse me. Okay, qua màng ngay rồi. Yeah, come out, wherever you are. Dạ nè. Đi sâu qua Faye quên lo Faye. Woohoo. Now I'm getting asthma. Guys, I'm getting asthma doing this, okay? Kumara. So lovely. Coconut cream around the shell. Yeah, yeah. Got it on one hit. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Yeah, I had a oh. That was a clean one. Oh man, so delicious. Next troublemaker. Hang on, wait. Oh, whose sexy leg is this? Oh, I think it's this one. Yeah, whakari me ngā, koe whai. Oh, not a clean hit, that one. Go kiki for you, eh? Can you hear that? Oh my God. You know, the veins on my neck is probably straining. Can you hear it? Okay, whakari. Oh, gone. Did you see that? And I just changed my sheet. Oh, over there. There's like a whole crab over there. Oh, look, and there's hardly anything in there. Oh, did you see that? It went straight in my throat, like on its way down the elevator. Mai mau lai me palalasi mai ore. Yang ada ya. Kiki apa? Sepangasit. Ya, awal akak ni mah dia punya story. Ai pa mo i doang. Ngukoi mai la iya. Wait, hey, I see you. I just changed my sheet. Now just take it off. Watch it for my next mukbang. Oh, I wish one of them was Yeah. Whoa. Look at that. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Man, this is so ngon ấy. Yeah. Yeah. This is the thing about crabs, eh? It tastes beautiful, but you have to like go to war with it. Yeah. You know what? You know, like, yeah. Bit. Maar det står det bara. Okay. This is my offal I bought from Samoa last year when I was doing Christmas. Yeah. Quite nice, eh? I didn't think I looked pretty in it. Yeah. See, I work with a ping, if I don't call it off, I will lay yelling at my Samoa. Ninga sui mai ngai finge peo, fa finge peo, tamara, you know. Fa fikai fu ya la ko ya. Na ko wa kamai, na ko kaleng. Okay. Quite nice. Yang á. Oh, wow, nice, baby. Oh. Ui. Oh. Yang hala ya. Mangaya. Ya, naku wai. Fruit. Melt in your mouth. Ay. Slow percent để bạ đấy man. Boy. Look at that, guys. Vai. Okay. The meat. Yeah. You know, I went and got a towel, and because I knew it was going to be messy, but I didn't know it was going to go flying over there. But look at this, guys. Look. Vai ele quer ele meat. Oh. Yum. Some of you guys that's watching, you're gonna go get some crabs, eh? Yeah. You're gonna go get some crab, cook it how you like it, and eat it. Well, guys, I've been sucking on these crabs for too long. Hey guys, I've been sucking on these crabs for too long. I think it's time to wrap it up. Wrap it up. Oh my god. Oh my. I don't know. Even on my light, look at my messy face. The meat on my curtain. There's crab meat on the light. Lucky I had got some meat in my mouth. So good. Oh well, guys, time to wrap it up. I've been teasing you guys for too long now. Too long. But this is so good. So good. So good. Hello. Who's speaking? Oi? Yeah. Where really my yeah? Oh, yeah, pa. The pa you got wrong that you didn't give me any female pa. Ya nga, ya lu fangaluwe nga ichukulua fa pili-pili lo ulang ako ya fa. That's how you do it. That's how you say. You quell him and then you fa pili-pili him. Anyways. Guys, it was so good. Thank you for hanging out with me, right? No shout outs today, guys. Oh, let's bring it. Okay. Okay. Yep. Yeah. You know, before I used to buy crabs, right? Or my husband would buy crabs. And I'll fix it all up, cook it and everything, put it on the table, and me and my kids will all sit there and eat it and enjoy it. Yeah, that's what we used to do. It was lovely, lovely to do that back then. Okay, guys. Well, look. Hello. Hello. Who's anyway, guys, this is me saying goodbye, and thank you very much for hanging out with me. Okay, guys, catch you on the next video.